Hi guys, I am back with a really quick tutorial. So, my nails are already polished. I've used Madam Glam's base coat, cured for 30 seconds, and then I applied 2 coats of color to my nails. This is Canadian Winter and Gossip, both by Madam Glam. And so I also applied top coat and cured for 30 seconds as well. So y'all, we're gonna get into these acrylic paint pens that Madam Glam sent to me. So thanks Madam Glam for sending me these acrylic paint pens to try. And so there's a pink, a blue, and a white. And so there's directions that says shake the pen, press the tip, and draw. And I can't really see that because of the shine. And so these do not require curing in a lamp because it is paint. And so I'm just giving that pen a good little shake here, and it does come sealed. And so just to break the seal, I'm just twisting the cap. The plastic wrapping easily comes off easily, and I'm just removing that, and then I'm going to press the paint pen into onto the tip down on the paper towel to fill the felt tip with paint. And it comes down relatively quickly. And so y'all, we're gonna get into this kindergarten drawing. It might not even be considered kindergarten. It's like a pre-K, because again, I've told y'all over and over again, I cannot draw to save my life. Like I was not blessed with the ability to draw. And so here I'm attempting to draw some flowers on my nail because I thought it would be cute, right? I was like, okay, that seems easy enough. Psych. So if you have a moment where you can't draw, you mess up, it doesn't look the way you want it to look, you can wipe it off with water, or you can wipe it off the nail with alcohol. The reason why it's probably better to paint on a matte surface, and I didn't think about that. I don't even think I have Madam Glam's matte top coat, but it may work a little bit easier. But the acrylic paint pens, if you are an artiste, they're great, but me, not so great. So y'all just hang out with me while I attempt to do something. And yeah, you can go ahead and laugh because I had to laugh at my doggone self. So after the fail with the flowers, I decided to go in and draw some hearts, right? That seems easy enough. Not so much. And so with these, you do need to let them dry for 10 to 20 seconds, air dry for 10 to 20 seconds. So I drew the hearts on my thumb. You can see I erased the flowers on my ring finger. And now drawing the swirls was easy. It was easy enough, but I think I had too much paint loaded in on the pen. So these are a learning curve because it's easy enough to draw a swirl. It doesn't have to be a straight line. You can draw a swirl, which is what I did. Then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go in with the white because it was brighter than Canadian Winter. And so I was like, okay, that's gonna be cute, and got it on my skin. Again, it wipes up with alcohol or water. And I was like, okay, you doing something. Okay, you doing something. But then it went left. I didn't like it. And it bled, the white bled onto the pink on the side there. So I was like, man, see, right when I thought I was doing something good, the disrespect. And it's my fault. It was too much pen, so be careful. Too much paint on the brush. And so I wiped that off, and then I tried again to do something else. Again, that's why I went ahead and painted my nails, because I knew I was going to be messing around with these paint pens. I thought the white was really vibrant. I love the way it popped on that on Canadian Winter. And so again, the hearts, I'm giving those time to dry. I then decided to go in and paint the swirls again. I was like, okay, this seems easy enough. but I didn't like that the lines weren't crisp. Again, I had too much paint loaded on the tip of that paint pen. And maybe I'm just being anal and OCD about it, but who knows, you know. And so off camera I did some big old polka dots, because what I was going to do, I was like, let me do some little leopard spots. Again, y'all, I can't draw, so I just outlined those a little bit with the white. And with the hearts, I outlined those in white as well, and then just put some big circles, because at this point I was fed up. I was like, I don't know what to draw. I can't draw. And when I showed my husband, he started laughing at me. Y'all, he was wrong for that, but I had to laugh at myself again. And so after those dried, I did apply some top coat and cure for 30 seconds. And so once they cool off, you do want to dry them, apply some cuticle oil to your nails. So y'all, that was my attempt at trying these acrylic paint pens. I do want to try that blue, because blue's my favorite color, but I don't know, maybe I just need some more practice off camera. But again, I can't draw, so I don't know how much practicing I can do. But anyway, so guys, please let me know what you think about this. Leave a comment and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.